In today's fast-paced world, the pursuit of passive income has become increasingly popular as individuals seek to diversify their income streams and achieve financial independence. In this video, we're sharing 10 passive income ideas to make extra income in your life. Number 1. Real estate investment. Generate income through rental properties or real estate investment trusts, earning from property appreciation and rental income. Number 2. Dividend stocks. Invest in dividend-paying stocks, allowing you to earn regular income from dividends without actively managing the investments. Number 3. Peer-to-peer lending. Engage in lending platforms where you lend money to individuals or businesses in exchange for interest payments. Number 4. High-yield savings accounts. Park your money in high-yield savings accounts or certificates of deposit to earn interest without much risk. Number 5. Create an online course. Develop and sell online courses on platforms like Udemy or Coursera, earning passive income from course sales. Number 6. Affiliate marketing. Promote products or services through affiliate links and earn commissions for sales generated through your referral. Number 7. Ebook publishing. Write and publish ebooks on platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, earning royalties from book sales. Number 8. Create a mobile app. Develop a mobile app and monetize it through in-app purchases, ads, or subscriptions. Number 9. Stock photography. Sell your photos on stock photography websites and earn royalties whenever someone downloads your images. Number 10. Create a YouTube channel. Build a YouTube channel and monetize it through ads, sponsored content, and affiliate marketing. If you found this video helpful, then like, share, and subscribe this channel to get future videos. Thanks for watching this video.